Can you hear the raindrops? All set to go. The rain pants on, the jacket and the raincoat go on top. It's been raining like that since 2-3 hours, but we decided to still head out because it's gonna keep raining occasionally. If we stop, it's gonna just get heavier because projections in Hyderabad are rain's gonna be there till 11. So no point just waiting here. We're gonna start in the rain first for us. Not something we're looking forward to, but that's okay. The bike's all set and just waiting for Aditya and Sriman. Aditya had to do one last temple visit. They would be here by 6:15 or so. We'll head out from here. Okay? Catch you guys. I don't think we'll catch you guys on the road till the rain stops because we're not gonna record anything. It's raining decently and no point for GoPros. So we'll probably catch you guys on the road. Good morning, Adi.
Good morning, buddies. Hello, good morning, guys. Wherever. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tindi.
Poha. Hot poha.
Yes.
Dabba. Endi erragundu dabba?
Today I put strawberry whey protein. Cookies and cream katham.
Since you saw that previous section of the video, it's been raining non-stop. It just stopped half an hour back. We're almost 150 kilometers from home. It was non-stop rain, so no GoPro footage. Maybe you can watch in his channel some GoPro footage, I guess. You recorded? Yeah. I didn't have GoPro from beginning. After 30-40 kilometers, we stopped for fuel. I forgot my wallet as usual.
What's up?
And the wallet had my credit card, which the hotel reservation uses, so had to go back. But I came in record time. Hopefully, weather's fine, touch wood. And we are like 150 kilometers from Solapur, so that's like the midpoint. Looks like if there is no rain, we'll go as per the plan. నేను కాదు వాడంటే పడుతుంది నేనంటే అవ్వదు ఏమైంది See, he came for the ride after 2 years and it started raining. Like the first ride ever, I started with a rain.
మాత్రం ఉండాలి
ఏంటి
మన రైడ్కి వస్తే
మిక్స్ చే బాగా
కలుపుతున్నారా కలిపేసా.
Hey guys, welcome to GoPro footage. Finally see some sun, much needed sun. It was raining so much, like you can look at the windshield. This is the muck from the rain. Whew. We just stopped by a small abandoned dhaba. Had some food and also to leave. This is my bags. The usual soft panniers. All packed, right? Yes. And small food and stuff here. There's some food here too. And my tank bag with the camera and other equipment. Chalo, all set to go. We'll catch you guys on the highway. A clean visor makes such a ton of difference. It feels like 4K from 720p, not even full HD. Previously it was like this. That's my visor. The gloves and the shoes are slightly wet, but they should be fine. If it stays dry like this for a while, the shoes will dry out. Adi, me and Sriman are connected on Sena. Unfortunately, we still can't share the audio from Sena, but it's okay, we'll translate. Adi, you have anything to say? He's enjoying the ride so much, like whenever there is a curve, even if there is water, he is going quickly like that. See, Adi is enjoying his Duke 390 on the Apollo tires. But one thing I noticed, every time he comes on a ride, usually his bags, clothes, everything get wet. Even now he tied the bungee cord inside the cover, so all the water went inside the bag. But you want to say hi? Hi. Bah, ఎవడో ఏంట్రా సౌండ్ ఏంట్రా ఏదో టైర్ గాలిపోయినట్టు. హలో కాపీ మైక్ చెక్. వీడిపోయాడు అయితే అందరు సెనాలు దొబ్బే టైం వచ్చిందనమాట. దిస్ గై ఇస్ గాన్ ఆన్ ది సెనా. లెట్స్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ Sriman. Come on, come, let the dark horse come. మావాడు రెయిన్లో కంప్లీట్గా డ్రైగా వచ్చిన మాన్. బట్ యు నో ఫనీ థింగ్, he has lost so much of weight, another person can fit in that easily. Suju would fit re. I hope the road is like this till at least Solapur, because after that it should be pretty much fine. Anyway, you probably know this route, right, from our Lonavala trip. The vlogs here, the playlist is here, go check that video out. But at that time I came on a streetway and Rohit came on a Truxton. Oh man, it was bad. The road was abba, అరే ఏంట్రా సౌండ్, అదే ఆయితేగాడిదే సెనాలో ఎందుకు వస్తుంది, దొబ్బింది అడిది. Anyway, we'll catch you guys in a short while. Oh, it's been good so far. Look at these design patterns on the windshield. The dirt, raindrops and air. It's like we're doing some aerodynamic testing or something. Telangana and Karnataka roads are pretty good, but from here, last time the roads were pretty bad. So the toll road ends here. Okay, let's hope the roads from here are good. Last time they weren't till Solapur. Hopefully they're done by now. Last time bolo tha 2017 actually, not even 2018 maybe Feb or Jan. Opposite car aa rahe hain on dekhe. దీనికి టోల్ మళ్ళీ ఆర్టీఓ చెక్ పోస్ట్. ఐ రిమెంబర్ దిస్ చెక్ పోస్ట్. అట్లేదు రైట్. We're probably in Maharashtra right now. Yo. Another 101 kilometers to Solapur. Just offer some quick fuel break. Another 6.5 hours and 301 kilometers to go. There's a small problem on Aditya Sena, so he has been out of the range. We are unable to connect to him for the last 1 hour. Poor thing, he must be very bored. Came for that one ride after a long time and Sena gave up on him. Don't know what happened. It was working fine till we were charging it up. Maybe there was some moisture or water, and next stop would be probably lunch break in an hour or so. So we'll catch you guys there. Just a straight road, and my GoPro got stuck in between, so couldn't record much. But the roads have improved drastically from what we did during the Rajasthan trip, and before that during the Lonavala and Pune trip. The roads have changed quite a lot. There are only 3 or 4 bad stretches, otherwise it's been a 4-lane highway like this, so pretty good and very manageable. We were just going slow so that Aditya will keep pace with us too. But a normal regular ride, no rain since the morning, and things are fine. Hello. I think Sriman's also disconnected. I can hear his voice, but he can't hear mine. Don't know what's the problem. We took a ride from Solapur and another 100 kilometers on this highway, and then we take a deviation towards Mahabaleshwar. But the most adventurous and interesting part is Sena is screwed. This will get boring and challenging as time goes by. But the road from here is pretty good, straightforward, no issues at all, because we have come on this road, and from Solapur the route's pretty amazing, just like this. Chalo, we'll probably catch you guys at a lunch break. Now this is what I call an elephant race, or a jackal and an elephant race. The Daba, the GS Daba with the chef.
What's up? Today on the menu we have cup noodles, veg masala cup noodles, and pristine oven, whatever, organic millil bisbelli bath. Bisbelli bath. And oven orge millet upma.
Orgy entra, orgy.
Orgy kadra, org. Very full. Millet upma.
దీంట్లో నీరేదో తెలిసిపోద్ది.
So basically, I shouldn't be eating millets. So I am eating the noodles.
Why no millets? కొట్టేస్తుందా?
No, అద్దు భయ్యా అంత అది మన డెప్త్ అమ్మో ఓకే 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 సో ఇట్స్ గన వీడి ఇక్కడ 3 నిమిషాలు అని చెప్తాడు అమ్మ 5 నిమిషాలు పడుతుంది
అయిపోయి ఉంటుందా?
ఏంటా బట్టలు ఏంటి ఎప్పుడు బట్టలు?
అప్పట్లో ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు
ఏమోనంటే ముడ్డు చూపించి ఫ్యాట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు
అరే ఎంత హాయిగా ఉండేది తెలుసా, మంచి క్వశ్చన్ లా ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు బొక్కలు కనిపిస్తున్నాయి, కూర్చుంటే బొక్కలు కూర్చుకుంటున్నాయి.
ఏంటి నీ సెనా స్టోరీ ఏంటి?
అయిపోయి
ప్రాబ్లీ బల్క్ లో ఆర్డర్ చేయాలేమో ఒక 5-6. అందరి రకరకాల సౌండ్లు వస్తున్నాయి. వీడు మాట్లాడుతుంటే చాలా ఇరిటేటింగ్ వైట్ నాయిస్ వస్తుంది. అన్నావా?
బట్ ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ.
ఈస్ ఎంజాయింగ్ సోలో రైడ్ నౌ, పీస్ఫుల్ సోలో రైడ్.
బర్త్డే సైడ్ వస్తుందిరా. ఇన్ని రోజులు ఇక్కడ వచ్చేది
ఫస్ట్ వరల్డ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్
అస్సలు వస్తలే.
Anyway, we are like around 215 kilometers from destination, maybe 4 hours 30 minutes to go. Another one break and then we'll directly hit the location most probably, right?
Yes.
ఫోటోలు
ఏడాపనిస్తుర్రా మీరు ఫోటోలు తీస్తా అంటే
ఆపిన చోట తీయకుండా నీకు
ఆపిన చోట తీయరు, మంచిగున్న చోట తీస్తారు.
మంచిగా అక్కడే మంచిగా.
ఇప్పుడు నేను ఉచ్చవోసే పక్కన ఆపుతా తీస్తా ఫోటోలు.
2 ఏళ్ల తర్వాత వచ్చి ప్రతిదీ మంచిగా అంటావు. రొటీన్
ఏమనంటే 2 ఏళ్ళు అంటారు.
30 years industry need
to wait. Okay,
we'll have some lunch, hit the road and catch you guys on the road. His Senna is working. After charging. Hey, dance chestava indi. Pune is closer than Mahabaleshwar. Pada Pune elpodam. Wow, just noticed it. Watch the road. Gokul Regency, that was apparently a place we stayed and it's shut down. Lot of dabas and hotels on the highways are shut down, unfortunately. This is a sample of the rain we had in the morning. Probably 10% of 10%. They can see it in my windshield, dark brown windshield. 3.5 hours and 150 kilometers to go. Just stop for some water. Should reach there by 6:45 ETA. Add another 15 minutes, 7 o'clock. So roughly 6:30 to 7, that's when we'll reach the hotel. Hopefully that's a good time. It would get dark around 6 o'clock, so right on schedule. We are on this state highway since the last 10-15 kilometers. There are multiple routes towards Mahabaleshwar, but they all lead to one route before the ghats begin. There was a rain for like 15-20 minutes, hence I had to put the GoPro down, kept the rain jacket. Within like 2-3 minutes the rain's gone. Back on the state highway, look at the sun. We need to buy Gore-Tex shoes, Gore-Tex jackets and all. Unfortunately we don't get free sponsors like someone else, so kastarjitani kastabadi. Don't know what this town is, but lovely planning. Nice green canopy, service roads, tall trees, well planned ahead. Cinema Road, apparently this road is called Cinema Road. I'm so tempted to do some drone shots, but it will get dark by the time we finish the drone shots and reach the hotel. Kal parso wahi kaam hai. Another 78 kilometers to go. We'll reach there by 6:30ish. Stopped at this beautiful location for some photos. If you want to check those photos, you need to follow on Instagram. Here, some photo shoot happening. Oh, that Palat. sweet. Sudden elevation change. Oh, that lake. ఆ లేక్ చూడండి రా. KTM డ్యూక్ 390 అని చాలా ఎక్సైట్ అయ్యాడు ఆదిత్య. అంటే అట్లీస్ట్ ద బేసిక్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ వాజ్ KTM డ్యూక్ 390 ఆదిత్య ఘాట్. అరే దీస్ గైస్ ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ ఇన్ దీస్ ఘాట్స్, వెరీ ఇంప్రెసివ్. అరే కుక్క పిల్లరా చూసుకోండి రా. ఘాట్ ఓవర్ మా. So this is the first major town we came across since we turned from the major NH65 highway, and you do get fuel stations, but they are very thin, like between 50 to 100 kilometers in some places. But near Mahabaleshwar, this is one place you get fuel stations, and I'm assuming you will get some in the Mahabaleshwar town too. But here Vai seems a bigger town. Actually there are a few locations where the vada pav looks yummy, but COVID. Directly to the hotel now. Hey guys, just reached the hotel like 1 hour back. There were a lot of formalities. One, we had to submit some medical certificate which we didn't know. They didn't tell us, they didn't call us. We were super tired. They arranged a doctor quickly. They said tomorrow first, but then they quickly arranged it for 200 rupiah. He just took oxygen levels and asked us temperature baki kuch hai. We said no. So prescription likh ke de diya that these guys are safe for the next 3 days. Seems like something fishy, but at least we have a report to travel here in Maharashtra. Let me give a quick room panorama. Panorama అనగానే రామా అని వెళ్ళిపోయాడు రా.
వస్తారా
మా క్యూట్ లేడా ప్యాంట్ ఎంత ఒకసారి తెరురా బాబా సిగ్గే. మావాడు ఇప్పుడే మసాజ్ చేయించుకున్నాడు.
ఓ అదైతే వెరీ గుడ్ మసాజర్.
మెసూస్
మసాజర్
టిపికల్ బైకర్స్ రూమ్. జాకెట్స్, హెల్మెట్స్, ల్యాప్టాప్స్, టీవీ बोले तो 10:30 Apple event. All of us will be glued to the screens. I hope we can connect it to the TV రే somehow.
మచ్చా గ్రీన్ టీ కూడా ఉంటుందా? అంటే ఏంట్రా?
మచ్చ ఉంటుంది.
కింద ఇస్తా పైన ఇస్తా బాల్కనీలో
నాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పోయిందండి శ్రీమాన్ గారు. ఈ నాకు వద్దు టీ.
Anyway, we'll have dinner soon and we'll catch you guys in a short while. Probably tomorrow. In case you're watching this in the night time, and in case this video is enough to upload for a full video, this is it for this episode. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. We'll have obviously it was raining. There was intermittent rain. There are not many locations to do any drone shots or Insta360. So sorry about that. But next video we'll have some interesting footage. And
lot of valleys here. Lot of valleys here.
ఏ వ్యాలీ మాట్లాడుతున్నావు?
Valleys.
వేరే చెప్తాను.
నేనేం చెప్పలే. అరే ఆడా అన్నది. రెండు వ్యాలీలు మధ్యలో రోడ్ అని.
ఏది మళ్ళీ చెప్పు. మళ్ళీ చూపి.
Tea is coming out nice.
ఏ మచ్చటియా?
Assam tea. Milk వేసుకోవట్లేదా?
Anyway, well, in case you're watching this night time, have a good night, take care, and see you in the next one.